Not, nothing major, but this is a very small light in a very big footprint. And once again, these hydro buckets are doing extremely well. This is my third run with the hydro buckets, and I absolutely love them. I believe they are the best buckets on the market, and got a little bit of root action, as you can see. Just a wonderful grow. I couldn't be happier. If you're interested in getting your own hydro buckets, remember to use my discount code 10FORBENG, save 10% on your next order. And this pretty much wraps up this episode. I am, like I said, I'm extremely excited. I will harvest these girls, and I'll come back
we
with
check
a
references.
final.
Most content creators get them. If you're only a fan, you don't usually get a rinse. So, hell, you don't need to network. You can go look these people up on your own time.
If you would like to support me further,
that's why I said we know what we're doing in these YouTube
I've been all
streets.
in deep thought. As I come up for oxygen, I get to thinking, I ain't asked for this life. Man, I just appeared, but I ain't crying on my life, man. Fuck the tears, and I ain't here
Appreciate
for no
the thumbs
fans, man.
up.
Fuck the cheers. I just wanna be free. I've been stuck for years, but I'm finally me the fucking puppeteer. Pulling strings on your peers. Volunteers for damage is my year. The pioneer, no scrimmages all here. The spitting image of Creme de la Monsieur. The God of rapping, I'm making myself clear. If Dr. King, you can call this my premier. The first impression I met with is austere, but you finally met the king. I'm here, but can you hear?
I am the king in the sea, bearing the legacy, perpetually pristine. Living the dream, morning rain supreme. Through my melody, I resonate the dream.
I'm bound to take the crown, I got my weight up. Shit shake when I hit the ground, protect your plate, take a big X when I hit the town. Got the streets flooded, flow deep, try not to drown. Nigga, this street rugged, you gotta love it like McDonald's. And pack it out, boy, I get it by the pound.
As y'all see, we got Team Deepwater Cultivating in the building. Moderator extraordinaire, as my boy Scully Pop would say. Shout out to Scully. Y'all know to go check him out sometime, anytime, because he got stuff already posted. So
Everybody in New York was calling to get down with Mr. Nice Guy. We met all kinds of customers, like this guy here. He's what we call an enhancement smoker, because he thinks that marijuana makes every activity that much better.
Casa su casa.
Observe.
You're Scarface, right?
Yeah.
I love Al Pacino, man. Did you ever see Son of a Woman?
Yup.
You ever seen Son of a Woman on weed? That's the way to see it, man. It's just wow.
$60, yo.
Cool, man. I got it. Did you ever see the back of a $20 bill, man?
No, I don't know, yo.
Did you ever see the back of a $20 bill?
on weed.
Oh, there's some weird shit in there, man. There's a dude sitting in the bushes, man. Does he have a gun? I don't know, man. I don't know. What? Red team go. Red team go. It's just some weird shit, man.
Man, you fucking crazy, yo.
Oh, that's cool. Thanks, man. Hey, yo, wait. Dude, I'm gonna check out the stars later. It's really trippy. Especially on weed, man.
Do you get high at work? There's a lot of people out there that literally cannot clock in for a shift without they take a break. They gotta take taking a break. I think it's wild, but for some people, they gotta do it just to get through the shift. If you get high at your job, leave me a comment and let me know what type of job you work. Or if you don't get high and there's a reason why at your job, leave me a comment and let me know. I want to read through these and see. But this is always an interesting topic for me. I get asked about it here and there. I get asked about tolerance a lot. And one of the things I tell people is it's hard to be high all day at work, and it's hard to be high after you get off your shift and want to relax. Now, it's a little bit different for me because I get